Over 39% of Toyota RAV4 owners report recurring Entune CarPlay freezes or connection drops. Here are 5 warning signs of a bad CarPlay system. The Entune multimedia system bridges your iPhone to the RAV4 touchscreen for navigation, calling, and audio streaming. System failures start with subtle audio stutters before escalating to frozen navigation maps and black screens. Let's review 5 key warning signs that your Toyota RAV4 CarPlay system is failing. Sign number 1 is frequent random disconnects, where CarPlay drops while driving and requires replugging the cable. Worn USB data port pins or loose console wiring harness pins lose physical contact under chassis movement. Test connection stability using an original Apple MFI cable connected to the dedicated multimedia USB port. Sign number 2 is a frozen navigation display, where the map locks up solid while audio continues playing. Insufficient RAM in the Entune head unit leads to buffer overflow during high bandwidth map rendering. Hold the volume power button down for 12 seconds to force a complete reboot of the Entune system. Sign number 3 is a black screen on startup, where the display stays dark when plugging in your iPhone. Internal telematics module conflicts prevent the Entune operating system from handshaking with iOS. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes to perform a complete hard reset of the vehicle electronics. Sign number 4 is severe audio stuttering, where phone calls sound distorted and Siri responses lag. Wi-Fi signal congestion from the DCM telematics unit disrupts wireless CarPlay audio packet streaming. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone to force the system into pure wired USB transmission mode. Sign number 5 is rapid iPhone battery drain and high heat while connected to the RAV4 USB port. A failing USB port power regulator outputs erratic voltage, triggering iPhone thermal protection throttles. Test USB port voltage and amperage output using an inline USB power meter during active streaming. Lint in phone ports and delayed Toyota software updates are the most common causes of CarPlay instability. Buying a certified cable costs $25, while replacing a defective Entune head unit costs $850. Ignoring electrical shorts in the multimedia hub can fry the head unit, disabling backup camera and audio features. Swap cables, force reboot Entune, check USB port voltage, and update firmware before unit replacement.